In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the Etsy affiliate program and start sharing affiliate links to earn commissions. We're going to walk through the full process in a simple and practical way, from opening the affiliate platform to sharing your links in the right places. This is a great method for bloggers, content creators, and anyone who recommends products online and wants to earn a percentage when someone makes a purchase through their link. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to the Awin Affiliate Network portal. Awin is the platform that manages the official Etsy affiliate program, so this is where the process starts. Once you arrive on the site, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct affiliate area rather than the advertiser section. That's important because you'll be applying as someone who promotes products, not as a seller. Next, submit your application to join the official Etsy affiliate program. As you go through the application, provide accurate details about the platform you plan to use, whether that's a blog, a social media page, or a video channel. Be clear about the type of content you create and how you plan to promote Etsy products. This helps improve the quality of your application and makes the approval process smoother. After submitting, you may need to wait for confirmation before you can fully access the program. Once you're approved, you can start selecting products and copying your unique affiliate tracking links. Focus on high-quality Etsy products that are relevant to your audience. For example, if your content is about home decor, handmade gifts, crafts, or personalized items, choose products that naturally fit those topics. Your tracking link is what connects a sale back to your account, so always make sure you copy the correct affiliate version of the link before sharing it. After that, start sharing your tracking links on your blog, across your social media channels, or inside review videos. The key here is to place the links where they make sense and where your audience is already looking for recommendations. A product review, gift guide, tutorial, or themed post can be a very natural place to include affiliate links. It also helps to describe why the product is useful or appealing, so your recommendation feels genuine and informative. As people click your links and purchase items, you collect a percentage-based commission from eligible sales. Over time, those commissions can add up, especially if you consistently promote products that match your audience's interests. The most important thing is to stay relevant, be clear in your recommendations, and keep using your unique affiliate links every time you share a product.